Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time watching my videos, please make sure you hit the subscribe button to join the family. So today I'm going to be taking out these twists. I've had them in for a week, so they're looking a little rough. They are looking a little rough. In the last 2 days, I did not put, I'm lying. In the last 3 days, I did not put on my silk scarf to go to sleep, so that did not help. So they are looking a little scuffy, a little shabby. Today I'm gonna be just showing you guys the process of uncoiling them, and yeah. So first I start off by looking to see if I have any gold cuffs in my hair. The gold cuffs that I use to accessorize, I just make sure I don't have any left before I head on to the next step. So moving on to the next step, I use the Palmer's Coconut Oil Hair Polisher Serum. I put this in my hair to give it that little extra shine it needs. Since I had it in for a week, it does look a bit dry and a bit rough. I then start to section my hair so I can start uncoiling from the bottom up. Next, depending on how oily your hair is or what serum or oil you're using, I usually just like to put a little bit on each individual twist before I start uncoiling them. Now, if you feel like this process is unnecessary and your hair already has enough oil, then you can just simply skip this step and go right to uncoiling them. I usually like to take apart the two strands, not necessarily run my finger through the middle of both strands, if that makes sense. Just because if I were to run my finger through the middle of both strands, then that can lead to my hair getting tangled, and you guys already know what that means. I know this can be hard to remember, especially for me, but if you do remember in what way you twisted your twist, for example, if you twisted them away from your face, then you want to uncoil them away from your face. If you twisted them towards your face, then you want to uncoil them towards your face. For this video, I do not remember which way I twisted them or not, so I'm just twisting them whichever way feels right. After I finish uncoiling my hair, what I like to do is pick each section just so it can have more volume. Now, if you would like a thicker twist out, then don't separate your hair as much. If you would like a skinnier twist out, then separate your hair as much as you'd like. So this is how it's looking so far, guys. So far so good. It's looking very defined, and that's what we like to see. So I am done uncoiling. Now I just like to kind of fluff my hair up a little bit and kind of massage it. I don't know, it just feels good on my head, so I think that's the main reason why I actually do it. After that little massage, I picked it once more, and this is how it's looking so far. We're then moving on to doing our edges. Now this is an optional step as well, so if you don't want to do your edges, then you don't have to. It's just a personal preference. here are my final results. Now you can see my hair is a bit puffy, but that's just my personal preference. So comment down below your twist out tips, whether you like this video or not. Give it a thumbs up if you did like it. Now don't forget to subscribe and turn on your notifications for the next time I post a video. That was all I had for you guys today, and I'll see you guys next Thursday.